Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to disable Google AI Assistant on your Android phone in a single click. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your Android phone settings. So go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on search. So what you want to do here is to click on here and type in default. Then go ahead and proceed with default apps. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed with default apps right here. Then go ahead and click on digital assistant app. Go ahead and click on default digital assistant app. Then you have Google right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and switch to none, and you are done. With that, you have completely disabled Google AI Assistant or Google AI Assistant in your Android phone. For more useful tutorials like this about Android settings, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.